So today I trade on TQQ, which is also is Nasdaq, and all the trade takes around 4 or 5 minutes the maximum. But let's go to on the screen and see what exactly happened. And I made around $1,000 in only around 4 or 5 minutes actually. So as you can see on the screen, on the right side you can see the Nasdaq, and also on the left side you can see the TQQ. So the TQQ is called also is the same like Nasdaq, and also it's actually the triple actually. So if the Nasdaq move 1%, the TQQ move around 3%. So I just bought around 8,000 share just right here, and then I put my TP around $1,000.40. So here I just found out the Nasdaq was in the pullback actually. So the pullback was done and ready for up. So you can see the Nasdaq was also on the deepest place. So here just started going up, and I was also in profit around 6 or 7, but I didn't close it, so I just waited. And the Nasdaq also is starting to going up, and you can see the big shadow on the right side. So you can see why the market will go up. So that was very important actually. The big shadow shows the market will change the trend, so from downside to upside. So tomorrow also we have a very important news. It's called PMI coming out, so just be careful about it if you want to trade. And let's see. So Nasdaq is still going up, and TQQ is tripled actually. So as I said, if a Nasdaq move 1%, the TQQ move 3%. So that's very good option if you don't have option for buy some lots. So that will help you about your money also. So you can see that I go into the loss actually, and the market is return. But hopefully in future, just in second, the market is return. So just let's see and what exactly happened. So I just moved the chart a little to the right side. As always I say, when you trade on market, it can be stock, crypto or Forex, always look at to the index, S&P, DXY or Nasdaq. So these 3 index is very important, as you should always know when you trade on market. That I'll always do, because so you can see what's going on market. That's very important option to know what exactly happened to the market. So here you can see I'm still on profit around $200. On the right side the Nasdaq is moving going up. So just waited to hit my target. And you should know when you see my trade, you should know always how I react to the market and my position and my trade. So that's very important. So on the right side you can see the Nasdaq going a little up and wants to make, so there is also a huge resistance and trying to break it. So it's just trying many times. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 or 7 times they tried to go up, but it didn't. So hopefully on 8 times it break, and then the market going up. So here the resistance almost break. We are just waiting to hit the target. But sometimes you need to have to wait. So here you can see the Nasdaq is break the resistance and then it started going up. I was also around 600 in profit, 700, but I didn't close it. So I just waited until to hit my target. So you can see around 700-800, and here is almost, and here was my target. Hit it. That was very quick and also fast, and also the trade takes around 4 or 5 minutes. That was all, guys. Thank you for watching. And of course, if you want to also trade in the stock market, special in the stock market, choose and trade on Colmex Pro, which I use, because that's very good for for a stock and for you and your position and also for trade, because you pay very low fee to the broker. I was also trade in many brokers, but the Colmex Pro is very good to trade because you pay low fee to the broker. That's very good option, and I will put the link in description, and then you can use it. Just click on that and then you go directly to the sign up page. Thank you for watching, and also just make sure to subscribe the channel and also like this video if you like it. And that's all guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice day, night or morning.